Hello everybody, I am Edson and welcome to my video. We are going to see how we can change the color of a shape in Excel by using VBA code. So let's go open Excel. Then we are going to create a shape. We go to Insert, Illustrations, Shape. We are going to use a circle or oval. Then I need to know what is the color of this shape, so I will prefer to use a color that I know. So let's go to Format Shape, Fill, more colors. And the color model is RGB because we are going to use these parameters. So I will put 217, 217, and 217. Okay. Then we need to go to Developer tab. If you don't have Developer tab activated, you need to go to File, Options, Customize ribbon, and make sure that you have checked the Developer tab here. If you don't have it, please check it, and then you need to apply or make OK. Okay, let's go to the Developer tab. We go to Visual Basic.
We are going to right-click on Microsoft Excel objects and insert a new module.
And then we are going to create this macro subroutine. So we type sub, the name of this macro that we are going to use, shape change. We are open and close parentheses. Then we need to declare the name of this shape. We forgot to give a name to the shape because the name, once we click on it, is oval 1. We are not able to use space on the names in VBA, so let's delete and we put _1. Make sure that you hit enter, because if not, it will not take the change. So we come back to Visual Basic and we declare this shape, dim oval _1 as a shape. Then, in order to change the color of the shape, we are going to use a condition. In this case, we are going to use if active sheet that shapes parentheses and the name of the shape. So it is oval _1. Then fill for color that RGB equal. Do you remember what was the color of the oval of the shape? Okay, so it's RGB 217, 217, 217. Then we put the sentence where we want to change. So active sheet, basically we are going to copy this, copy and paste, and then we are going to change to green, for example. So we need to put BB green, and we need to finish the sentence and the condition, sorry, if, and that's it. So we come back to Excel, we right click, assign macro, and we will find here the name of the subroutine or macro that we have created. So we select and we click OK. Then if you pass over the shape, we can see the little hand, and if you see, we click on it and automatically has been changed to green. Then if we click again, it will not change back. So why? Because we give the instruction only if the color of the shape is gray or 217 to 217 to 17 to change to green. But what if it's green already? So it will not change to any other color. So if we want to put back to gray, we need to put another condition. Else if the shape is green, then put back to gray. Let's try it. If you see, now we are going to change back and change to green and change back to gray.
Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it and please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.